This is an excerpt of Dorothea Viehmann's Goose Girl as told of the brothers Grimm. The production concept is once a humble goose girl. The princess, now a queen, recounts and reenacts her tale to the next generation to emphasize how important it is to be true to oneself. When the time came for me and my maid to set out to the prince's kingdom, my friend the fairy went into her bedchamber and took out a little knife and cut off a lock of her hair and gave it to me and said, "Take care of it, dear child. It is a charm that may be of use to you on the road." Then we all took a sorrowful leave, and I put the lock of hair into my bosom, got up on my horse, and set off on my journey to my bridegroom's kingdom. One day, as we were riding along a brook, I began to get very thirsty, and I said to my maid, "Pray, get down and fetch me some water in my golden cup out of yonder brook, for I want to drink."
"Nay," said the maid, "if you are thirsty, get off yourself and stoop down by the water and drink. I shall not be your waiting maid any longer."
I was so thirsty that I got down and I knelt over the little brook and drank, for I was so frightened and dared not bring out my golden cup. I wept and I said, "Alas, what is to become of me?" And the lock of hair answered me and said,
"Alas, alas, if thy mother knew it, sadly, sadly would she rue it."